To work with a young and international and ambitious team can offer us a lot of new fresh ideas and innovative perspectives. Advantere is a company specialized in developing proprietary software for human resource and other solutions for assess professionals.
The objective of this PBL was to find the new strategy for the expansion of the key talent. And we did this by extensive research in the competitors that are existing, how the market works, and how the key talent could improve their features to make themselves a slot in the current market.
Talking about the skills I developed, first a benchmark analysis and to analyze the key information and structure it in order to present it to the client, but also learning about the importance of the digitalization and AI functionality on the HR world.
The PBL methodology is absolutely agile way of learning because we work with real companies, we work with real data in the market, we study competitor landscape, we study regional competences. So that is the biggest learning for us because as students, we are going to be future leaders and professionals. So for us to already gain insight into the professional world, PBL is amazing.
The collaboration has been an important opportunity for us, of course, due to the high level of the students.